What's up, guys? I'm Mr. Salgado, and this is the syllabus for Algebra 1, 2017-2018. Anyhow, I want to make this video just in case anybody misses the first day of school. They'll be able to come back and watch this video. And also, as you will soon figure out, I like making videos. Yeah, so it's me. Hi. I like Superman, obviously. People say Batman's better, but the truth is, Batman's not even real. Superman's real. I know you're thinking, come on, Superman's not real. The truth is, Superman got tired of being a superhero, so he ended up shaving his head and moving to a small town and became a high school math teacher. Okay, all right. So this is Algebra 1, all right? Algebra 1. We will succeed. Let me tell you a little bit about myself before we move on with the syllabus. I graduated from Central Union High School, right? Spartans, yeah. Actually, Southwest didn't even exist back when I graduated in 1994. Yeah, pretty old. Anyway, I ended up going to IVC. Yes, I know, IVC is in the middle of nowhere, fields all around it, but it's a great way to save thousands of dollars going to a junior college and then transferring. And that's exactly what I did. I went to IVC, and then after that I transferred to UCSD. I graduated from UCSD in the year 2000, and then I immediately started working as a substitute teacher that same year, 2000. And in the middle of the school year, 2000-2001 school year, they hired me in this district. And I've been teaching in this classroom, Q87, ever since. So I've been a math teacher 17 years. It's going by pretty fast. What else? Let's move on with what I have on the syllabus. I have a beautiful wife. No joke, she really is amazingly beautiful. She's actually a teacher at T.L. Wagner. She's a kindergarten teacher. She was actually vice principal at T.L. Wagner and Imperial for a while, but she's back teaching. I have 4 kids, Ricky, Paul, Daniel, and baby Mark. Yeah, so these are my boys. This is Ricky. He's 13 years old, my oldest, right? He's awesome. I love hanging out with this guy. Loves basketball, and he's pretty good at math also. And this is Daniel. Are you laughing? Why is he laughing? Okay, so this is Daniel and this is Paul, okay? And Daniel and Paul are also pretty good at math. Okay, Daniel, what is 2 plus 3?
2 plus...
Yeah.
I don't know. 2
What's 2 plus 3?
5.
Good, okay. Paul, what is 7 times 8?
56.
Good. And this guy is the newest addition to the Salgado family. His name is Mark Allen, or Marco Alan. Anyways, he's 2 months old and growing fast. As you could see, he's a chunkers. So continuing on right here, list of my interests, hobbies, and passions. I love lifting weights. I've been going to the gym for a long time, but I stopped going to the gym because I added on to my house and added on my own gym at my house. There's one angle of my gym. There's another angle. And yes, those are 100-pound dumbbells down there. So it's obvious I love working out, have to work out. If I don't work out, I feel grumpy and stuff. I also love going to church on Sundays. I love reading the Bible on a regular basis. Very religious. I love magic tricks, especially love card tricks. I might as well show you a card trick here. Watch this. All right. Whoa, sorry. iPad fell. Okay, try that once again. So I'm gonna shuffle, and I'm simply gonna ask you, look, I'm cutting. And I'm simply gonna ask you to tell me when to stop, and it will stop on the best card. Check this out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, ace of spades. Great card, right? Okay, watch this one more time. I'm just gonna take this, what is this? This is the, can't even see it, huh? 7, looks backwards right there, 7 of spades. All I'm gonna do is just go like this, and it's no longer the 7 of spades, the queen of diamonds. See that queen of diamonds right there? 1, 2, 3. What? It's gone. No, it's not. It's right there. Boom. Okay, so love magic tricks. Of course, I'll show you some more in class. What else? I love clean jokes. Daniel, come here.
You're gonna love how Daniel does his jokes.
Okay, Daniel, look right into that camera and say your joke. Go ahead.
Okay. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Yodel lady.
Yodel lady who?
Yodel lady who?
You have another one?
Yeah.
Okay, give another one.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Arch.
Arch who?
Bless you.
That was
He
funny.
said achoo.
Yeah.
He said bless you because we said achoo.
I think they get that.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough jokes. I got to get back to the syllabus.
Okay. Good.
So obviously, I love math. That's why I'm a math teacher. And if you guys are willing to give it a shot, you're going to love it too. Okay, the first thing you need to do really is to forget about your past negative math experiences, all right? There is no such thing as I'm not good at math. Okay, get that out of your head. That's not true. Anybody could learn math. Anybody could learn math. It doesn't matter. You might be thinking, well, my parents didn't know math. So what? You could learn math. Your parents could have learned math. And I guarantee you, we're going to start from the bottom and start from the bottom. Now we're here. Oh, no, forget it. Okay, I'm sorry. That wasn't even funny. I should probably delete that, but I'm not going to. But we're going to start from the bottom with step one. We're going to start basic adding and subtracting, combining like terms, and we're going to build from the bottom. And now we're here. Okay, no, we're going to build from the bottom, and we're just going to keep building up until we master algebra, right? So there's no excuse. Have a positive attitude. Give it your best shot on a daily basis. And my goal is to get every single student this year, this is my challenge, to get every single student this year to pass this class. So you're definitely gonna need a notebook, all right? A notebook, and preferably we want a composition book. I like these composition books because it's really hard for the pages to fall out because it's like, it doesn't tear out as easy. So I hope that's gonna be your first homework assignment. Buy yourself one of these guys. They sell them, I think, at Walmart for 50 cents. I think at Staples, they're free if you run fast enough. The security guard can't catch up to you. No, I'm just kidding. Don't do that. I'm not encouraging you. That was me trying to be funny, but it wasn't. So yeah, you need a composition book. Make sure you buy one as soon as possible because I'm going to be handing out worksheets. I'm going to be handing out notes. We're going to be doing homework. Everything goes inside this notebook, and of course, we'll talk about the notebook itself later. But you need it, so make sure you get it. What else? You definitely need a pencil with an eraser. This is the minimal requirements for the class, right? I mean, of course, we're gonna get a book, either pick it up at the library, you could get the online version. But besides that, you need a notebook every single day, and you need a pencil every single day. So make sure you have that. Things that would be nice, all these things would be nice, right? But not absolutely necessary, but they would be nice. Having a highlighter, pens, whiteout, scissors, tape or glue stick, graphing calculator. You know what? That's more for advanced. You don't really need a graphing calculator. You could go ahead and scratch that out from the syllabus. Sorry about that. Scratch that out from the syllabus. But I will have scissors and tape on my desk, so that's why you don't need to go out and buy scissors and tape. I'll have it on my desk if you need it. Things you must do immediately. We're going to sign up for the Remind texting app and the edmodo.com app. And please ask me in class for those codes. I don't have them right now on this video. So moving on to classroom rules. Of course, you want to be on time. Yes, be on time. That means be in the door, hopefully in your seat before the bell starts ringing. If you're not on time, please fill out the Tardy Log. So if you're late, make sure that you, as you walk in the door right here, you fill out the Tardy Log, which will be right there on top of the cabinet. That's what it'll always be. The restroom pass will be right here on this clipboard. So if you ever use the restroom, take this clipboard with you and fill out the restroom pass. Let me actually show you the Tardy Log itself. So here's the Tardy Log. Just make sure that you print your name right there, put the period, whatever period it is, and the time you actually got here and the date. So hopefully I don't see your name a bunch of times on this Tardy Log because I will have to ultimately give you a referral. Classroom rule number 2.
Be prepared.
That's right, be prepared. Don't show up to class without a pencil or without your notebook. Have something to write with, be ready to learn, be prepared. Classroom rule number 3.
Follow instructions.
Now, follow instructions. What does that mean? If I tell you guys to share your answer with a partner, please do so. If I tell you guys to sit in groups, please do so. If I tell you guys to start cleaning up, please do so. Always follow instructions. Number 4.
Use appropriate language.
Use appropriate language. That's right. So please, guys, no bad words, no cussing, no foul language in my class. Let's speak correctly. Let's be nice to each other. If you mess up on something, don't use any foul language. And you know what I mean.
Keep your hands and feet and other objects safe.
And that's number 5, guys. The final classroom rule. Now, what does that mean? If somebody asks you for a pencil, like, hey Ricky, do you happen to have a pencil?
Yeah.
But he's sitting across the class, don't throw the pencil, walk over there and give it to the person. So moving on to classroom procedures, and number 1 is really, really important. When I raise my hand, you say shh. Let's practice, shall we?
Yes.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Shh. What? Yeah, wait for my hand to go up. Shh. Okay. And of course, respect and be positive. Please be polite. Encourage each other. Don't, like, if somebody messes up on a problem, 3 + 2 is 6, don't call them a dummy. Just, help them out. Give them the right answer. Not give them the answer, but, be encouraging. Don't discourage people. Don't call people negative things. If somebody makes a mistake, don't laugh at them, all right? What else? Stay in your seats at all time. Of course, just don't be walking around randomly while I'm teaching. What else? No cell phones. Number 4, no cell phones. Now, what do I mean by that? I know most of us have cell phones. Keep them in your backpacks. Keep them in your pockets. Put them on silent or vibrate. That way, they're not interrupting the class. Of course, no music devices, no tablets, no anything, unless we're actually doing something in class with them, and we will be doing stuff in class with them. So here's my email address, rsalgado@cohsd.net. Please feel free to email me with anything. And this is the front side of the syllabus, and we're going to be making another video for the back side of the syllabus.